Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. Of course, I'll show you both. The first one is kind of blocking the number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and the second way is to block a number which you will enter, so you don't have to have it saved. So as I said, I will show you both options. Let's first of all enter the dialer, as both of the options will be present right here. Let's begin with your contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now we have to pick the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on block numbers, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see right now, we've got here this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified right here, so this number is for sure blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, and as you can see, we've got the unblock numbers instead of block numbers. But let me leave it like this, let me leave it blocked, because we will actually see if it will appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back to the kind of general options, and here in the second way of blocking the number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. All you have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see here in the generals, we've got block numbers, so let's enter. And here we've got a lot of options. So first of all, here we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. As I said, I'll show you another way of adding the number, and I said that you can enter it manually. As you can see, we've got the option add a number, and after tapping on it, here we can enter the number we want to block and tap on block. And again, it will appear on the blacklist, so again it means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. What's more, here we've got more options kind of to customize the blocking, so you can block the numbers which are not in contacts, you can block private numbers or unknown numbers. It's up to you which option you'd like to turn on or off. You can do it just by tapping on the switcher here. If you'd like to unblock the numbers, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.